Welcome back to another video. Today I want to cover the new Ideogram V3. Yes, Ideogram V3 is right now available for everyone to use. And this is so exciting, my friends. This is so exciting because this is a new version, a frontier model, and I'm so excited to use it. And you can literally select different options for the 3.0 version, for the 2.0 version. And in all honesty, Ideogram, is my favorite tool to generate images. So today we will be testing it out. I have the free version, so I cannot go over the limit, but we are going to try two of my best and favorite prompts. The first one is this amazing prompt of a prisoner trying to escape. In all honesty, in the previous video, I have covered the 4.0 image generation. I also covered this image generator, which is state of the art. It's called Riv AI image generator. You can go ahead and find these generators on the previous videos, go watch them. But in all honesty, in my opinion, Ideogram 2.0 is the best image generator I have ever seen up to now. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and put in the prompt over here and click the generate button. We're going to wait for, the prompt to take place and the images getting started generated. What I really like is that it seems to be quite fast. We will only have to wait for like 30 seconds. And what we will do is essentially compare Ideogram 2.0 to Ideogram 3. Okay, so our images are actually generated. So this is the first style, cartoonish, looks really nice, really good. I could see it easily in a comic. The second one is this. It says Alcatraz, so the text is good. I really like everything here. The style is great. The face has a little bit of problems, but I think this whole generation looks pretty good. This one is also very good, a little bit more on the realistic side of things. I like it. It's very good, very clean. And the final one is this one. Again, I see some problems with the face. I don't know what he is even holding. This is probably hallucination, but everything else looks super clean, super realistic. I think this is a very good step in the right direction. So Ideogram version 3 looks good. It looks very good. So the next thing that I want to test out is another prompt that I like a lot. Again, before we move on, I want to compare with this image. This image, the character looks amazing. The water at this point looks amazing. I think that prompt is yet to be beaten, but the background and these here, the drones are not looking good, and a little bit of the cutoff of the sea to the land doesn't look that good. So I think we can actually see a big jump in Ideogram 3. The background is a lot cleaner, water is a lot better, but again, the faces are not that good. So yeah, I would say this is more of a tie. Now let's try another prompt. So the other prompt that I really like from Ideogram 2 is this prompt. So we get the magic prompt that is over here. This is a bridge. This is a person walking over the bridge, jungle everywhere. And this is one of my favorite ones. So for this, I will try and go with model 3.0 quality. So we can see the absolute maximum quality coming out of the model. The only bad thing about Ideogram is that the free limits are so low. Literally, you will have limits once per week, and you can literally generate like 2 to 3 images. Again, the model is super fast. It only takes 30 seconds. In the past, Ideogram 2 took like 5 to 10 minutes, which is literally insane. So let's see the result. Okay, so this is the image. This is a realistic image. This is the other image. This is the other image. And this is the other image. I think one of the biggest problems is that the magic prompt right now changes quite a lot of the actual prompt. Again, this looks a lot more realistic. The colors look a lot more realistic. But in all honesty, I think Ideogram 2 just beats this specific use case. Literally, this looks so nice, so aesthetic. I think it looks just so good. These two look so good. This not so good. And I think I don't know. I don't think Ideogram 3 has done a very big jump. I may be wrong, but at least with these two prompts, yeah, I know this is not a good test. I'm just showcasing you Ideogram 3.0 and the availabilities. But I think this is not a major step in the right direction. It looks a lot more realistic. The bridge is a lot more realistic. It makes a lot more sense. Maybe this is a problem due to the magic prompt. Maybe that's like a mistake. Maybe I should not have used it. But yeah, tell me what you think about Ideogram 3. If you have tested it out, tell me down below in the comments what do you think about it. If you want to learn more things regarding AI, I have loads of free Udemy courses. The link will be down below. You will see the screen over here and you can select the exact course you would like to join. And you can join all of them for free. You've got master LLMs like AI powered research with all of the latest tools, building websites with AI, literally it's coding, and also courses for Python and a lot of other things. So I would love to see you in these courses and be, a student of mine. I would be very honored. So thanks so much for watching. This was a very short and quick overview of Ideogram V3, comparing it with 2.0, which in my opinion is the best image generator out there, at least for my use cases. I think it's a tie at this point. Maybe on the realistic side of things, Ideogram 3 is a little better, but I would say that Ideogram 2 is already quite good.